Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. If you're a business owner, this is for you. If you're type that is selling online or you want to take your business online, then this video is for you. Pay attention. Hello guys, so I want to show you something quickly. Now, I've been having this program set up. I've been working on this project, and this is to help you, especially if you're a business owner, especially if you desire to learn a high income skill. You want to boost your money-making capacity on the internet, then this is for you. So I said, pay attention to this. Do you know that an average web designer will charge you between 50K to 100K to design a simple landing page? Yes. Now, but with just 4,999, I will teach you how to start designing stunning looking one-page website using WordPress without coding. Yes, this is my field. I'm going to teach you how to design a beautiful landing page like this, a simple one-page website like this, where you can showcase your business. You can showcase whether you're selling shoes, you're selling bags, you're selling baby food, whatever it is you're selling health products. I will teach you how to design it, stuff like this. You can see how beautiful this page is. That is exactly what I'm going to teach you. Okay. And for just 4,999 naira, you're going to get this knowledge. I've spent over 5 years in this space, so I know what I'm talking about. When I say I'm going to teach you real good. All right. So, for instance, this is my own agency website, sophiedigital.com. I'm the CEO, the founder of this agency. By God's grace, we are making a lot of money running this agency. This beautiful website you can see is just a single page, right? This is my own company website. It's just a single page, right? Every information is on this page. Let me show you something. Let's say you want to read about the company. You click on about. It will take you to this page where you say, we are your true business partner. You want to read about our services, you click on this. It brings you to service. You want to read about our results. You want to read about our approach to business. You want to read about testimonial. You want to contact us. So you see, everything happens on this single page. All right. So this is what I mean by one page website where everything you need is on this page. So your visitors do not need to navigate from page to page. Every information is captured on this one page. If you can build this single page for your company, for your business, it's going to save you a lot of money. Like, you remember I said something, an average website designer is going to charge you 50,000 to 100,000. That's what I charge, and I even charge more depending on the client. So I'm going to teach you how to do all of that for just 4,999 naira. So I believe this is something you should jump on. For instance, this is one of my pages where I sell a product for men. It's a one-page website where I showcase all the product I'm selling. Everything is captured on this page. So if a customer comes in here, they can see everything, read everything, and then place their order. I'll teach you how to add this form to your own website, how to do all of this. And then when customer click and place order, you will get all the details, and you're able to follow up your customer, and also you're able to follow up your customer and then deliver your product. So if you are an e-commerce business owner, you are a mini importer, you are somebody that is trying to sell online, instead of you advertising, taking people to WhatsApp, and when they come to WhatsApp, they start asking you about the business again, you begin all over to explain the business one by one. This one-page website can help you to give the explanation. Customers come here, they land here, they get all the information, they make their pay, they make their payment. Sometimes But in Nigeria here, most times people prefer to pay online. So they fill a form like this. They fill a form like this on your website, and then they place their order. So if this is the kind of thing you want to learn that is going to help your business, now, if you are able to learn this, it's going to save you a lot of cost. Now, these are some of the things that you're going to learn if you sign up for this course today. Now, you're going to learn WordPress installation, how to create a landing page, how to choose a custom template, how to integrate a payment gateway, how to insert a form like what I showed you, how to embed videos. You can see that this page has a video. It has a video. I'll teach you how to do this. Teach you how to do this. It has a video. I'm going to teach you how to embed this YouTube video on your own page. You understand me? So this is something I believe that every business owner out there should jump at, and they should jump at immediately and begin to sign up. So when they click there, they come to the order page. You understand what I'm saying? So this is something that you need. So if you're a business owner, I want you to sign up immediately to start this. It's going to help you to save costs. It's going to help you to attain independence. When you know how to do these things, like I understand, I have some clients who do not even know they don't know anything about WordPress. They don't know anything about web design. So every changes they want to make, they have to call me as a webmaster to do it for them. But when you learn how to do this, one, you stay in control. Two, you maintain your privacy. Three, you speed up your timing. Because if you want to change something in the night, you can just log into your back end and change the thing without waiting for an external web designer who is going to tell you, oh, I'm busy, I'm not on all that. So these are the benefits you gain if you sign up for this course today. Now, this price of $4,499 is just for a limited time. Now, there are so many benefits you're going to get. I'm going to give you some softwares that are going to help you in this journey. I'm going to also offer you 12-month mentorship. Yes, within this 12 months, and until you are able to get this, which you can do this, you can learn this and master it in the next 1 week. Yes, 1 week, you will get it right. So who should attend? Small business owners, e-commerce business owner, main importers, course creator, promoter, affiliate marketers. You can't just pick your affiliate link and dump it on any platform. No, you need to know how to create a landing page for yourself. You're a network marketer, you need to know how to create this. You're a real estate agent, a realtor, you need to know how to build your own agency website, where customers can come in and they learn, get information about you, right? So everything has been made ridiculously simple. So simple that even your 9-year-old cousin will appreciate it. If you know how to browse Facebook and do WhatsApp, do TikTok, then you can build website. So sign up right now. Click this button. The button will be in my description. Click that button, join my WhatsApp group, and then I'm going to take you through and show you exactly what to do, how to start this course in ASAP and learn how to build professional website. These are some of my work. I'm doing this for, I'm charging as much as $2,000 building this. This for a client in the United States, and we're still working on this. So guys, you can do this. You can do this. Besides you using this knowledge to build your own website for your business, you can also use this knowledge to build website for other people and make extra money. That could be a wonderful side income for you. So guys, I wanted to click the link below immediately and let me take you through this process. And in the next 1 week, I guarantee you're going to start designing powerful website. All right. So guys, click the link and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like this video and also turn on your notification bell. You see this beautiful website I built. It is built on Shopify. This is an e-commerce website built for a client in the US. This site alone, I charge this site $1,500. So you can imagine that. So this is a high income skill, right? A high income skill that will make you a lot of money for your business, and also become a side hustle for you, where you make a lot of money building web pages for other companies. So guys, why not click that button right now and sign up immediately? Click the button. There's a button. Click there to come to my WhatsApp, where you make your payment and I give you access to the course. You start immediately and begin to design websites. Thank you very much. See you in the class. Bye.